Let's get it on in the club, yeah. If you're down for the shot party, hook me up. What? I'm in with that bomb. Back in the club, bitches know. And let's go all night. See the show on, everything's alright, yo. For one Sunday afternoon, my homie ain't home. Chillin' with saloon. Cops for sneaking from home with the bags up. You got the answers about the stash in my weed truck. I said, you know, man, that's the rap. Rain, I got a track, but some girls in the middle, watch my back. Out the club, never gonna get on it. Reach for the clock, but they had the nose on shit. Now I say, ill, my bitches all on the street. My mama word is hell, but she ain't gotta think about that now. I ain't mama bustin' out, check it out now. Bitches give me more. We got the break it down, no. It's true, cause we got one chance to blow it all. Yeah, blow it all in your brain. All the bitches give me more. We got the break it down, no. It's true, cause we got one chance to blow it all. I got this big on the chronic, they guess we so damn high. It's over the street, listen to buzz in the sky. So come on, open your eyes and don't comply to the melody. The felony arrest with intent to possess. I did not confess to this shit, give me a rest.
Wanna be a new see, make it give it evidence.
Man, fuck the sex, I smoke till I die. You gotta get yours, and I gotta get mine. So my bomb if we rock, take a trip down to Tokyo. We smoke it all, we blow it all. The sweet hoes gonna blow it all. We take the line in New Mexico. We get a good shit, and get out to the back zone. We up top, the rich across the nation. Without hesitation, no thought, no contemplation. So fly the regulation that controls our mind. Yeah. Just give me more. We got the break it down, no. It's true, cause we got one chance to blow it all. Yeah, we got to make it better. Just give me more. We got the break it down, no. It's true, cause we got one chance to blow it all. You know the pictures give me more. We got the break it down, no. It's true, cause we got one chance to blow it all. Just give me more. We got to break it down, no. It's true, cause we got this one chance to blow it all. Yo man, let's just get high tonight in the club, man. I ain't that chronic shit, my friend. All that tequila shit, man. Tequila slamming home, fucking that's for you, man. And some of that sticky shit, man, in the back. Get high all night long on that house, man. Yeah, come on, it's busted, man, come on, yeah. All day, every day, cruise down in the new way. Air bomb with the gas, making any rash, weapons up, mass destruction. Tell me what's the wrong shit, I'm taking out a home with some lotion. Meet her at the bar, it's talking, you can go far. If you just wanna ride the bitch on night, dig from the back, let me surround your mouth, she don't want all the thing, gonna talk about this pussy thing. But I ain't even wanna put a start, cause I got a big spot. It's the style of a man, seems to bring the big, just the big, the big, it's like it's a thing. That's the thing I'm wrong. It's the rain, I'm leaving up to the bitches on the train. I'm on the streets alone, we ride with this name on it, claim on it, life is yours, it's not over. Bouncy bitches from the front door, they pay the fee, they get more than they're looking for. Release the trigger on the AK, feel the man. I got enough down from the side. Don't need to reload the rhymes and the speak. Involved talking straight shit on this downbeat street. Yo, yeah, man, where we at tonight? We on this downbeat street, motherfucker. Yo, man, this shit goes down on this motherfucker. That's where I am. Yo, we on this motherfucker tonight. No ride, big T, yo. Bounce in the club tonight, come on. Give it up, ain't gon' be wild. This is where we're out.